Oh my god, I just remembered my dream. I dreamed that Drake and I had like a romantic thing going on. It felt so real. It didn't even feel like a dream. Like, and every time I dream about him, it always starts off like that. It always starts off like that. Where it's like, I remember. It was like, we text and stuff, and he comes to see me. And like, and in the beginning, I'm like acting so modest, like I don't want to be like any other fans. It's so funny because it's all my imagination. It's so funny. I think about him so much that, you know, it's crazy. It's crazy. Crap, is it this loop or this loop? Damn it. Damn it, Drake. But oh my god, it was such a dream. Like, and then he left. Like, he just left, like, because he's so, like, you know, of course it's a superstar, and he had to go handle superstar stuff. And I was heartbroken. I remember, like, just like that, it's all over. I was so sad. And he came back. Yo, he came back, dog. He came back in a dream. He had on his red ass hoodie. Like, he was dressed exactly how he was dressed in Hotline Bling. Okay? Like, he was like, like, he was dressed like that. And it was so cute. And he came back, and I got my hopes up. And I was like, oh, you came back. And then he was like, yeah, before I hit the road, I gotta pee. And I was just like, of course, Kashama, because I'm such a freaking realist in my dreams that I can't even let myself have that. You know, I couldn't even let myself have it. Have him come back for me. And Dreamland, at least. So I was like so sad. And then, but I'm always like a realist. You know what I love? People that can control their dreams. Oh my god, if you could do that, or you know somebody that can, please comment below. I want to know how to do that so bad, because he would have never left had I have known how to do that. He would have never left. Anyway, third time done. So here's what I'm gonna do with these pigtails. I am going to leave these in for the car ride to school, and then take it out later in the day and look like a boss out. I'm just kidding. Anywho's, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.